5.3 first bit, find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. First problem, 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. First bit, first problem, solution. Given quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Dividing on both sides, by 2, we have 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. 2 ones x square, here x 1 by 2, 2 ones 2 twos minus 2 is equal to 0 by 2, 0. X square plus x 1 by 2 is equal to 2. We try to make it a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we can write a plus b whole square and find the square roots. That's why we have to try to make it a square plus 2ab plus b square. First x square 2ab, 2, it is ab only, ab form only. 2ax b 1 by 2, but not satisfying this middle term, this term. That's why we have to divide 1 by 2. Here 2 to cancel, x only balanced. That's why we have to multiply 1 by 2, multiplying 2, dividing 2. So 2ab, this 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2. X square plus 2ab. So in place of b, a square plus 2ab. In place of b, here we have 1 by 4. That's why we have to add b square on both, 1 by 4 on both. That's why x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4. Adding 4 on both sides, 1 by 4 whole square, because adding 1 by 4 whole square on both sides, that's the reason x square plus, so it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's why we can write a plus b whole square. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, here 2 plus 1 by 16, that is equal to we can write like this: 2 1 by 16, 16 2 is 32, 33 by 16. X plus 1 by 4 is equal to square becomes, while transposing from LHS to RHS, square becomes square root plus or minus square root. 33 by 16, square root of 33 by 16, that is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 by square root of 16, that is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 by 4. X plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 by 4. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Then x is equal to 1 time plus 1 time minus, plus root 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, or minus root 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. X is equal to, if the denominators are same, that means like fractions, we have to subtract numerators only. Square root of 33 minus 1 by 4, or x is equal to square root of minus square root of 33 by 33 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equation, given quadratic equation, are square root of 33 by 4, square root of 33 minus 1 by 4, and minus square root of 33 minus 1 by 4. These are two answers. Second problem, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Dividing on both sides, by 4, we will get x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. X square, x whole square, 2 into root 3 x. To tally this term, we have to divide by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4. We can write clearly in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, x square plus 2a, a means x, b root 3 by 2, a square plus 2ab. So here not there b square, that's why we have to write in place of b, here we have root 3 by 2, that's why we have to add root 3 by 2 whole square, then minus root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 2, adding, because adding root 3 by 2 whole square on both sides. Then this is, we can write a plus b whole square x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, here LCM root 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to sum of the like fractions is equal to sum of the numerators by common denominator. Minus 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 plus 3 0. So x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 0 means 0 only, plus or minus square root of 0 means 0 only. X is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Therefore the roots are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Question number 3, 5x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Dividing on both sides by 5, we can get x square minus 7 by 5x minus 6 by 5 is equal to 0. X square minus 2 into x into b 2ab 7 by 5, but here not satisfying this term, that's why we have to divide 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, then we can get this term is equal to 6 by 5 x square minus a square minus 2ab 7 by 10. Here not there b square, that's why we have to add b square term. 7 by 10 whole square is equal to 6 by 5 plus 7 by 10 whole square. Adding, because adding 7 by 10 whole square on both sides, so we can write this x minus 7 by 10 whole square is equal to, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, then we can write a minus b whole square, that is equal to 6 by 5, 7 7s are 49 by 100. LCM is 100. 5 20s are 26 1 5 20s are 26 49 here. 5 20s are 26 120. 100 ones are 149 49. So that is equal to 169 by 100. X minus 7 by 10 is the whole square is equal to 169 by 100. Therefore x minus 7 by 10 is equal to, square becomes square root while transposing from left to right, plus or minus under root of 169 by 100, that is equal to square root of 169 by square root of 100, that is equal to 13 by 10. X minus 7 by 10 is equal to 13 by 10. X is equal to, is plus or minus 13 by 10 plus or minus 13 by 10 plus 7 by 10. Therefore x is equal to 1 time plus 13 by 10 plus 7 by 10 or minus 13 by 10 plus 7 by 10, x is equal to 20 by 10, 0 0 gets cancelled, 2, or x is equal to minus 13 plus 7, minus 6 by 10, 2 3s, 2 5s, minus 3 by 5. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation are 2 and minus 3 by 5. Fourth problem, x square plus 5 is equal to minus 6x. Solution, x square, we have to shift this from right to left, 6x is equal to minus 5, x square, x whole square, 2 into x into 3, 2ab, but not there b square, that's why we have to add this b, a square plus 2ab, satisfying this middle term but not there b square term not there, so b is equal to 3, we have to add 3 square on both sides, minus 5 plus 3 square, adding 3 square on both sides, a plus b whole square, x plus 3 whole square is equal to minus 5 plus 9, that is equal to 4, x plus 3 whole square is equal to 4, x plus 3 is equal to, square becomes square root, plus or minus square root, that is equal to plus or minus 2, x is equal to, x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 2, x is equal to 1 time plus 2, 2 minus 3, or x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 3, here x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 5. Therefore, the roots are minus 1 and minus 5. Second bit, find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question 1. Question 1 means this, question 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. Using formula we have to find these answers. So before we have used completing the square method, now we have to find the quadratic formula method to find square roots. So given quadratic equation, second bit, first problem, given quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare this, in place of a there is 2, in place of b there is 1, in place of c there is minus 4. Like this we have to compare. We have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. Now we have to substitute formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Now we have to substitute the given values in this formula. Minus b minus 1 plus or minus under root of b square 1 square minus 4 into 2 minus 4 by 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1, 4 to the 8, 8 4 the 32, 33 minus 2 minus plus 33 by 2 to the 4, that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 32, here 32 only, now 33 by 4. This is x is equal to only x is equal to 1 time plus minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Therefore, the roots are the quadratic equation minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus square root of 33 by 4. Second bit, second problem, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Minus b minus 4 root 3 plus or minus under root of 4 root 3 whole square minus 4a, a means 4, c 3 by 2 into 4, x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is 48, 48 square root of 48, 4 4 is 16, 48 by 2 4 is 8, x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 48 minus 48 0 by square root of 0 0 only, 8. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8 or x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. 4 ones, here also minus 4, 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 ones, 4 twos. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. These are the roots. Third problem, 5x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing this with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 6. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. So x is equal to minus of minus 7 plus or minus under root of b square minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 5 into minus 6 by 2 into 5. X is equal to minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus under root of 7 7s are 49, 4 5s are 20, minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20, 2 6s are 12, 120 by 2 5s are 10. X is equal to 7 plus or minus under root of 169 by 10. X is equal to 7 plus or minus 13 by 10. Therefore, x is equal to 1 time plus 7 plus 13 by 10, or x is equal to 7 minus 13 by 10. X is equal to 20 by 10. 10 ones are 10 twos, 2, or x is equal to 7 minus 13 minus 6 by 10, 2 3s, 2 5s, here minus. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Therefore, the roots are 2 and minus 3 by 5. Question number 4. X square plus 5 is equal to minus 6x. This is not in quadratic form. That's why first we have to make it in quadratic form. X square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now compare with the quadratic equation with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to, we know formula, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We have to substitute these values in this formula. Minus 6 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 5 by 2 into 1, that is equal to x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root of 6 is 36, 5 4 5 is 20 by 2. X is equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root of 36 minus 20, 16, square root of 16 by 2. X is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 4 by 2. X is equal to 1 time plus minus 6 plus 4 by 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are minus 1, or x is equal to minus 10 by 2. 2 ones 2 5s minus 5. Therefore, the roots are minus 1 and minus 5. Third bit, first problem, find the roots. First problem, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, x not is equal to 0. Given equation, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, but this is not in a quadratic form, that's why we can try to make it a quadratic form. So here LCM x square minus 1 is equal to 3. So x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing this with the quadratic equation, then we can write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing this, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. X is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac minus 1 by 2a. X is equal to minus of minus plus 3 plus or minus under root of 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus 4 1s are 4 by 2. X is equal to 3 plus or minus under root of 13 by 2. X is equal to 1 time plus 3 plus under root of 13 by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus under root of 13 by 2. So the roots are 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. Third bit, second problem, 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Here x not is equal to minus 4 or 7. If we given minus 4 7 here, this will not defined, that's why. So first we have to make it quadratic form, quadratic equation form, that's why we have to take the LCM of these denominators. X plus 4 into x minus 7 is the LCM. Then these are co-primes, denominators are co-prime, then the LCM is their product. In this case we have to take like this cross multiplication method, like x minus 7 minus x plus 4 like this is equal to 11 by 30. X minus 7 minus x plus this minus minus 4 by x into x square, x into 7 7x, 4 into x 4x, 4 7s are minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30 plus x minus x cancel, minus 7 minus 4 minus 11 by x square minus 7 plus 4 minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. We can cancel up numerator denominator, same quantities we can cancel here, but here minus 1 balance. Now cross multiply like this, x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 plus 2 is equal to 0. Here we can use the factorization method to find square roots. 1 1 2s are 2, 2 is equal to 1, 3 is 1 2s are, but middle term minus 2 we have to keep minus minus for 1 and 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 3, satisfying the middle term. So x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 2, we split this middle term is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 1, my here 2 is common, minus 2 is common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1, x minus 1 again common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. Therefore, the roots are 1 and 2.